Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to choose between Coinbase or eToro. And before starting this comparison video, I want to make one thing clear, and that is I won't tell you which platform is better. Both platforms are great, but they are totally different, and I will tell you with the differences on 5 different topics which platform will fit you the best. So let's start right here with the main focus on Coinbase. And the main focus on Coinbase is that Coinbase is a beginner-friendly crypto investing platform. If you look to eToro, eToro is more social investing and they do on multi-asset trading. So in my opinion, eToro is very social, Coinbase is more beginner-friendly. If you look right here to Coinbase, and Coinbase is right here the best for crypto investors and beginners, and eToro is the best for investors who want crypto, stocks and copy trading. Then if you look to the trading tools, Coinbase is simple with the buy sells, staking, and they have a basic chart. And if you look to the eToro right here on the right, it's very simple because their trading tools are more focused on copy trading, crypto, stocks, ETFs, and social futures. If you look to the interface, Coinbase is extremely simple and easy to use, and eToro is also modern and beginner friendly. So both applications are fine when you're a beginner, but eToro is modern and Coinbase is, in my opinion, a little bit more simple. Then if you look right here to the fees and trading cost, and Coinbase has higher fees, but simple interface premium, and eToro has spread-based pricing with no platform fee. So keep that in mind. If you look right here to a tip that I will give you, many investors use Coinbase for simple crypto buying, secure storage, and long-term crypto investing. And many investors use eToro if you want to do copy trading, crypto investing, stocks, ETFs, and diversified portfolios. So hopefully after seeing this video, you know exactly right now which platform will fit you the best. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.